Exercise 43. Equation of a circle. The equation above, x squared minus 8x plus y squared plus 6y equals 39, defines a circle. What is the radius of that? I'm going to try to solve this in as many possible attempts so that you can see our options here. Since we have to draw something, my first attempt would be through Desmos. So let's bring Desmos here and let's keep that over there. X squared minus 8x plus y squared plus 6y equals 39. Remember that in Desmos you do not need to rearrange any of the terms. You simply plug in what you have. So indeed, it created a circle, but I can only see the points of that. I cannot tell neither the center of that nor its radius. So Desmos here, sadly, it doesn't help me. Let me go next to my calculator. I am using Casio FX CG50, so I'm going to show you how this one works. We are here in the menu. Our calculator, this one, Casio, has a path that can take you directly to where you need. So I'm going to use conic graphs, and then I'm going to search this form. Ax squared plus ay squared plus bx plus cy plus d equals 0. The thing here, however, is that you need to rewrite what you have. Let me write that through Casio in that form. So x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 6y minus 39 equals 0. Once I click here, the calculator will ask me to determine the values of a, b, c, and d. Be careful, it should be the ones shown on the calculator. A should be the value, the coefficient of x squared and y squared. Here it's going to be 1. This is why I have a equals 1. B is the coefficient of x. In my case is negative 8, so I'm going to plug in negative 8. C is the coefficient of y. Here it's 6, so this is why I used 6. And D is the constant term. For us, it's negative 39, always when first brought into the needed expression. So I'm gonna now click execute. This is a circle, although it looks like an egg, it is a circle. It looks like that due to bad scaling. And luckily, my calculator has just 2 buttons to find the radius. Gsolve radius, there it is. R equals 8. Even if I wanted to calculate the center, I would have followed Gsolve and then center. So the radius for that would have been 8. However, this is done through my calculator, and like I showed you before, we cannot do it using Desmos. What else could we do? By hand. Let me show you how I learned that in your age. We were told back then that if we have this form, x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c equals 0, then that's a circle of center minus a over 2 minus b over 2 and of radius square root of a squared plus b squared minus 4c over 2. In this particular form, x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c equals 0, and by comparing that with what I have, I can see that A is -8, B is 6, and C is -39. You see that the values of A, B, C have changed because every single time, whether I'm doing that by hand or by Casio, they refer to different places. So now A is -8, B is 6, and C is 39. And based on this formula, it should have been A squared, so -8 squared, plus 6 squared, minus 4 times -39, and all that over 2. Now, I'm going to use any calculator. Square root of -8 squared is 64, plus 36, plus 4 times 39, and all that over 2, which is, once again, equal to 8. So, let's recap. Desmos sadly cannot easily help me on that. If you're using Casio, then don't mind at all because there is a specific route to follow through conic graphs like the one I showed before. If you can remember, and I think that you should remember it by heart, remember that the radius is given by a squared plus b squared minus 4ac, put in a square root, and then divide by 2. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.